Can we start rule number 4 with lactated ringers 100cc? Also increases furosemide from 40 to 80. And also starting him on nasal prongs 3 liters.
Are you talking to me, darling?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Did he just spoke to her like that? Oh my god. That's the end of him. Yep. R.I.P. Yeah. Oh shit. He's done. Oh, first question to you, Dr. Andros. First of all, my name is Marites. You're Dr. Andros. Nice to meet you. That's how you should be starting your conversation anyway. So, first question to you. Who the fuck do you think you're talking to? Your friends? Are we friends? Because I don't think so. So, why you talk to me like that? Oh, second question to you. Is this a recommendation?
No, that's not a recommendation. That's an order.
Oh, it's not. It's an order. A verbal order. Oh, my second question. Do you think I went to this country so that you can give me a verbal order? Do you have a pen? You do? Oh, perfect. Can you use your hand? Good. You're gonna sit down and write that. And third is a recommendation from me.